Hello learners, how are you all? Today we will continue the same chapter, pronouns, number, gender and case. So let's start. Today our topic is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun are pronoun used to join a phrase or a clause with another in a sentence. Okay, like the boy who won the competition is my best friend. Okay, like two sentences are there. The boy won the competition, the boy is my best friend. Then if we want to join this sentence, then what we have to use? Relative pronoun who. The boy who won the competition is my best friend. So who, whom, whose, which and that are relative pronouns. Sometimes as is also used as a relative pronoun. Use of relative pronoun: who and whom are used for persons only. Okay, who and whom for persons only. Okay, who and whom for persons only, and whose is used for both persons and thing. Okay, whose is used for both persons and thing, and who and whom used for persons only. Okay, like the man who is wearing a pink shirt is my teacher. The ladies who attend the party were happy. The boy was blessed by the blind man whom he had helped cross the road. So, who and whom, from this example we understand that who and whom we have to use for persons only. Whereas whose for persons and things also. Like the chair whose color is blue is mine. Teacher called the students whose average marks were low. Okay, here for student used whose. Here for chair also used whose. So whose is used for both persons and things also. The pen whose nib is broken cannot be used now. Which is used for things and animal. Okay, for things and animal. Remember these things. Who and whom used for persons only. Whose is used for persons and things also, and which is used for things and animal. Okay, things and animal. The book which I gave him is lost. The deer which was killed was carried to the village. Use of that. That is used for both persons and thing. Okay, that same like whose, it is also used for persons and things, but situations different. The watch that I bought last year is not working now. He is the boy that I was talking about. Okay, sometimes we use that after the words all, only, nothing and none, like nothing that, all that. Okay, mostly we are speaking in this way: nothing that he said, all that she spoke. The relative pronoun what is always used to refer to things. Its antecedent is not expressed. Like someone, what cannot be expressed in words must be understood. She had purchased what she wanted to buy, means the thing which. Okay, the word as is also used occasionally as a relative pronoun when it comes after the word same, sometime after the word such. Like she is such a friend as. After such, sometime after such we use as. After same as also, like same as, such as. So with such and same we have to use relative pronoun as. Okay, correct use of relative pronouns, you have to only learn this column. Okay students, who and whom for persons only, which for animals and inanimate things, whose for both persons and things, that for both persons and object. After adjective in the superlative degree, after words like some, all, any, nothing, none. Okay, that is used after words like some that, all that, any that, nothing that, none that. Okay, what indicate that which. Okay, what indicate that which, it has no antecedent. After words like such and same, as used after words like same and such as, same as. Okay, so read this column so easily you can identify and use relative pronouns. Okay, now first question is for relative pronoun: God helps those. Then what will come? God helps those dash help themselves. Here for person what we have to use? Who. God help those who help themselves. That is the girl. For persons we have to use who or whom. That is the girl who won the race. Okay. Listen to what he is saying. Okay. Listen to what he is saying. Okay, indicating something. I want a machine can compute faster than the calculator. I want a machine which can compute. Okay, for things we have to use which. This is the painting that won the first prize. This is the painting that. Use of that is used for both persons and things also. Okay. Do you know the student dash comes from Mathura Road? Do you know the student? For person we have to use who. Okay. Who comes from Mathura Road? Where is the mobile phone dash you bought recently? For things we have to use which. Okay. Then where is the mobile phone which you bought recently? I no longer believe what you say. Okay, for when indicating something we have to use what. Okay, clear? Next is omission of the relative pronoun. The relative pronoun can be dropped when it is in the objective case, like this is the pen with which I write. You can write in this way, this is the pen I write with. Okay, okay, cut which and write with. This is the pen I write, and at last you have to write with. Here which is omitted and the position of the preposition with is changed. That is the bus by which I came. Then that is the bus I came by. The lady about whom I was talking is my neighbor. The lady I was talking, then cut whom and write about is my neighbor. The lady I was talking about is my neighbor. Next question is, rewrite the given sentence by omitting the relative pronoun. You have to omit the relative pronoun and putting the preposition in proper position. Okay. Underline the change also. Like first one already done. Second we will do. This is the house in which I lived for 25 years. So first underline the relative pronoun, that is which. Okay. This is the house. You have to omit it. Okay. Then sentence will be, this is the house I lived in. Then you have to write in here after lived. Okay. After lived, write in. This is the house I lived in for 25 years. Okay. Omit which. Third is the, this is the artist about whom. Then whom cut. Okay, cut whom. This is the artist Sanjay was talking. Then write about at last. A-B-O-U-T, about. Okay. Cut from here and write at last. I want to visit the house in which Tagore was born. Then I want to visit the house Tagore was born in. I want to visit the house Tagore was born in. Little Jewel is a school in which I studied for several years. Little Jewel is the school I studied in. Cut in which here from here and write I studied in. Write in here in between after studied. Okay. In for several years. This is the hotel in which we stayed last summer. This is the hotel, cut in which. Okay. In which cut and write in. This is the hotel we stayed in. Here in will come after stayed. Okay. Completed. Next is position of the relative pronoun. The relative pronouns should be placed near the noun or pronoun. It referred to, otherwise the sentence might appear absurd. Okay. Dr. Vishnu addressed the audience who was a famous historian. In this sentence, who actually referred to Dr. Vishnu, but because it appears after audience, the meaning is changed. Dr. Vishnu addressed the audience who was a famous historian. Here this sentence, who was a famous historian, this is for Dr. Vishnu. So we have to use relative pronoun who after Dr. Vishnu. Okay, Dr. Vishnu, who was a famous historian, address the audience. So this is very important to very important right position of the relative pronoun. Otherwise the meaning of the sentence will be changed. Okay. So correct the position. Next question is the correct the position of the relative pronoun and few other words and then rewrite the sentence to convey the right meaning. First one, the train did not stop at the station which was running at full stop. Full speed. Then the train, okay, then the train which was running at full speed did not stop at the station. Okay, first you have to write the train, then which was running at full speed did not stop at the station. Okay, in this way you have to write the sentence. The train which was running at full speed did not stop at the station. Second, the old chair was put away in the attic which had a broken leg. Then old chair which had a broken leg. First you have to write the old chair. We are talking about the old chair. Then the old chair which had a broken leg was put away in the attic. Then first, second and third. This is the order of the sentence. The old chair which had a broken leg was put away in the attic. Okay, complete. Third one is Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma welcomed Mrs. Shane, who was very courteous man. Then Mr. Sharma, here Mrs. Sharma, not for Mrs. Sharma this sentence. So order of the sentence must be Mr. Sharma first, who was a very courteous man, welcomed Mrs. Shane. Okay, third. Next is the thief was caught by the police who robbed the jewelry store. Then who robbed the jewelry store? The thief. Then order of the sentence must be the thief. First write the thief who robbed the jewelry store was caught by the police. Okay. The dog who came to rob the house. Dog who came to rob the house bit the burglar. No. Then what will come? The dog. What dog did? Dog bit the burglar who came to rob the house. Sachin is famous for his batting skill, who is an Indian artist. Then order of the sentence must be Sachin, who is an Indian cricketer, is famous for his batting skill. Next is we, which was full of people, got into a bus. Then what is the order of the sentence? We got into a bus which was full of people. First, second and this one third. Okay, Red Riding Hood, who was bedridden, went to visit her grandmother. Now, what will be the order of the sentence? Red Riding Hood went to visit her grandmother who was bedridden. What is the meaning of bedridden, students? Bedridden means disabled. Okay, bedridden means disabled. Okay, completed. Next is join this sentence with the help of relative pronoun. Okay, this is the building which was built in a single month. This is the building. Cut it and write which. Okay, this is the building which. Okay, cut full stop also. This is the building, comma, which was built in a single month. I met my uncle, then cut he and write who, WHO. Here cut he and write who had arrived from Delhi that day. This is the horse. For animal, what we have to use? Which. Okay, this is the horse. Here cut it and write which won the race. The boys enjoyed the match which they were watching. Cut the cricket match. Okay. Here write which they were watching. Jia has a friend. He is a renowned artist. Jia has a friend. Who is a? Okay. Cut he and here write who. Jia has a friend who is a renowned artist. This is the cat. It killed the rat. This is the cat. For animals we have to use which, and this is the cat which killed the rat. The captain praised Ashish. His bowling was very good. The captain praised Ashish, whose bowling. Okay, completed. Use of reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal. These are used where a subject constituting two or more people, beings or things has been mentioned in the main clause. Like each other and one another are reciprocal pronoun. Each other is used when two people are involved. Okay, each other means when two people involved. One another is used when more than two people are involved. Okay, remember these things. Each other is used when two people, only for two people we have to use each other, and one another is used when more than two people are involved. Okay. Indefinite pronouns are pronouns that refer to one or more unspecified beings, objects, or places. Like, I have bought everything you might need for the journey. Then, everything. Some of the indefinite pronouns are all, each, one, someone, any, many. These all are the examples of indefinite pronoun. Okay. Next is choose the correct option from the bracket and fill in the blanks. Does dash have a pencil? And what will come? Does anyone have a pencil? Rima bought everything she liked at the fair. Dash of you must bring a bottle of water. Then each of you. I did not see dash from my school at the science festival. I did not see anybody. Dash from the management school give us information about the situation. Somebody. Dash of you can come along with me to the principal's room. Either of you. Though many movies are running in the theater, I don't want to see dash of them. I don't want to see any of them. Okay, now next question is fill in the blanks with the appropriate pronouns and write their types. The first one has been done for you. Appropriate pronoun. Fill in the blanks with appropriate pronoun and their types also you have to write. Like first one who. Who is relative pronoun here. Okay. Then next one, second one. Do you want to speak to me? Me is personal pronoun. Okay. Second, I dash heard her say that. I myself heard her say that. I myself. Then emphatic. What will come? Emphatic pronoun. Next, fourth one. This is the dress. Dash was bought by aunt. This is the dress which was bought by aunt. Then which is the relative pronoun. Which is relative. Dash was a cold and dark night. It was a cold and dark night. Then it is personal pronoun. Okay. Fifth one, personal pronoun. Here it will come, it, and write personal pronoun. Sixth one is dash expressed his ideas clearly and eloquently. Then sixth one, he expressed his idea. He is personal pronoun. Seventh, we often deceive ourselves.